Hey guys, too many cards here with another pack. 1985 Topps. What can we get out of here? Can we get that McGwire? Let's see. All right, let's go, let's go. 85, let's go. Oh, no fucking way. No way. There's our McGwire. Let's go right to it. Let's go through them. Holy shit. Of course, it would be the gum card. Randy Bush. Wow. Garvey. Smith. It's stuck behind here. Oh, man. Wow. There's the Mark McGwire. That is effed up right there. Can't get any worse than that, guys. Wow. All right, here we go. Rivers, Porter, Tabler, Wright, Bobby Brown, Kemp, and man, Brian Downing. Wow. All right, guys, make sure you subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.